Hey there, dear customer, dear followers, this is Ison Company speaking. In this video, we're going to do a review of a popular HD camera with a built-in microphone. The model is called Ison Ahd80S-Slmic. This is a surveillance camera that comes in different variations at 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8 megapixels respectively, and I already told you the main difference. She comes with a high quality built-in microphone. The camera is street. You can actually use it both indoors and outdoors. If you're using it outdoors, it comes with an IP66 protection rating, dust and waterproof in a metal casing and vandal proof. Also withstands temperatures from -60 to +55 degrees. When it comes to connecting a microphone here, unlike standard HD cameras, there's an extra little wire that gets added. The food here is served both on camera and on the microphone simultaneously. Ensure that your dashcam has the capability to record audio from high-definition cameras. There's also an OSD menu here. This is the control for the camera settings itself. The resolution is 8 megapixels for 4K, 5 megapixels for 2K, and 2 megapixels for the standard full HD format. The camera comes with a Sony sensor. This is an original Sony Matrix, not a copy, not a replica, not a fake from AliExpress. The camera comes with all the latest technologies on board. Here comes the KLED lighting of the latest generation up to 20 meters. Here we have WDR tech, DNR tech. DNR tech reduces noise in low light conditions by reducing noise in low light shooting conditions. The WDR technology is a technology that improves the quality of shooting in conditions of improper lighting or when sunlight enters the camera lens. Each camera comes standard with all the necessary fasteners, an Allen wrench for adjustment, a branded box, and a complete set of all necessary instructions. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to ask our managers or leave a comment below this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the new video.